Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to operate the class Google Classroom app. So let's start. As you can see, there are two groups here. One of them that belongs to second blue, that is belongs to Janak ma'am, and second indigo belongs to my group. So what you need to do is open the app, check the assignment the teacher has given, open it. You can see the assignment here. So this is the assignment. If you want to post your answer key here, go here, swipe it up. You can add attachment and you can upload your assignment which you have completed. Suppose this is the assignment, so you will upload here. It's taking a little bit of time for attaching the attachment I have uploaded. Now the assignment I have uploaded here, you can consider it as an answer key. Suppose this is the answer key I have uploaded. Okay. Now my teacher can see my answer key. Okay. Now suppose I am a teacher. That was the work I have shared as a student. Now we will see how we will work for the teacher. Suppose I want to create an assignment here. So I will go to the classroom. I will add here my assignment and I will add the title. For example, my title is suppose it's gender. Okay, description is like you will write here, do this work in your notebook. Description basically means you want to convey any message to your child, what he's supposed to do. Suppose topic name is gender may noun. Okay, so we will save it here and I will attach the attachment from file. Now I will upload suppose this is my assignment. Basically this is not an assignment, this is just a picture. Suppose this is an assignment. Okay, now you will send me, I have assigned it. Now you will post it, the answer key. Okay, I have posted it. Noun, here I have mentioned gender. Now there are two students, like Alka and Janak are two students here. So when they will send me the answer key, it will be seen here. Okay, and I will edit accordingly. So hope you understand this. I will let you understand as a teacher also. What you need to do is, suppose this was the assignment I have posted and I have got it from Janak ma'am. I will open that image. I have posted this assignment. Okay, I have posted this assignment. Which one? Suppose I have posted this assignment. Okay, she has given me the answer key. Here is the answer key. You will go to the classwork and you will check the student work here. Here is instructions, here is student work. Basically I want to check the homework which was sent by my student. This was the homework which was sent by my student. Now go back, you will see the edited one. This one is I have make corrections. I will make corrections from here. Okay, you will make the corrections from here, like this was wrong, you can use this pen, you can use this pen. Okay, You can change the colors also from here. Hope you understand now. Now what you need to do is you will go here and save it. This will be saved automatically and will be returned to your ward. Now they can see their returned work here. They will be able to see. Okay, hope you understand it. Thank you.